Hi everybody, and welcome to a super quick unboxing of the items that are going to be featured in this week's sale over with Crafty Lisa's Vintage. So this sale is Mike's picks. These are the things that her fiance Mike chose for the sale this month. And I gotta say, I really enjoyed the selection that Mike chose, and the colors really went well, the theme really went well, everything really went well. I really enjoyed it. And it made it really easy to create. So in this video, I'm just opening everything up, and in a subsequent video, I will be doing a mail art video for you guys to see, and everything just flowed really well. I was really impressed with that. But also, I just really loved the selection. I really love the tickets that Lisa includes and the smalls. The smalls are a lot easier for me to use because I typically just make mail art, or I work in my journals, and I'm creating on a smaller scale. I'm not trying to create, big junk journals and fill up a bunch of space. So I appreciate the smalls, I think. And there were a lot of those. There was a lot of bigger items that made it really good and easy to layer with, but the smalls were really great. I also felt like I wasn't super overwhelmed like I have been known to feel in the past, because there wasn't a ton of stuff, but there was enough stuff there for me to feel the freedom to be able to create with easily, and I was really impressed with that. And look at this color story. Like, these go so well together, and if I would have chosen these colors separately, I feel like it wouldn't have worked, but when I look at them like that, I really love how they all go together. Another thing I really appreciate is the fact that Lisa doesn't force you to buy large quantities of things. If you want to just buy things for your personal use, you don't have to worry about buying like 15 or 20 or 50 of something. You can buy for your personal use, and I really appreciate that option that Lisa provides. On this side, there are some of those bigger labels, which are really pretty, like really pretty. I was really impressed with the label selection, and I've already got some ideas of how I want to use those. So we'll see in the future. I probably won't get that up this week because I'm actually away. I'm sitting in my car in front of my parents' house, waving at my kids through the windows because they're freaking out why I'm sitting in my car. But I was not able to get the voiceover done before we drove 18 hours to Maryland for Thanksgiving weekend. So I'm out in my car doing this voiceover, and I'm going to go in and upload it and get it up for you guys to view this week for Lisa's sale, so you're well prepared. As always, the items that I have included in this video are not all of the items that Lisa includes. There's always more. This is just a taste of the colors and an idea of the other things that are going to be included. I like to shop Lisa's sales as well after the fact, because I just get a little taste of everything, and sometimes I fall in love with something and want more of it, so I just shop her sale afterwards. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. I'm sorry that the lighting is a little funny. I had to film this at night, like the night before we left. So I hope that you have enjoyed it and have gotten a good idea of what the sale is going to look like. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and I will leave everything you need to find Lisa's sale also down below. I'm just going to show you a couple of my favorite things, and that's going to be it for me. I hope that you guys have a great day and a great Thanksgiving week, and I will catch you guys later. I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Bye.